Bro, pumping it ain't gonna do shit. It's gonna chug beer regardless. You fucking.
Alright, go!
What the fuck? Hold on, let me mix this. This fool's retarded, bro.
This one's standing behind you like.
Alright, ready?
You get one leg, you and the other.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Don't touch my balls, though.
Oh shit! Hold on, hold this way. Don't try it, don't try it. Yes. Keep going, bro.
Make a drink!
It's on my nose, bro. It's on my nose. Hold up. Hold up. You see the drops coming out? I'll do it again. That was cheating shit.
You guys gotta get his feet higher, dude.
Come on. I gotta be straight up, dude.
Alright, straight up. We gotta hold
But I can't have beer up the nose, bro.
That's why you gotta hold him straight up. You gotta hold him straight up.
Dude, I just took like straight up like a quart to the nose.
Alright, hurry up!
Is it hard to drink?
Yeah, a little bit. When it's going up your nose, bro. Just like drink or breathe. You gotta make a decision quick.
Straight up, bro. Straight up.
I'm heavy?
Kind of
I'm heavy.
heavy. You're heavy.
Shit, imagine this.
Y'all better hook my feet up to that.
Oh, nigga, I was born ready.
Yeah.
And I did drink for like 3 seconds.
Oh, dude, it can went all over.
Alright, let's
That
go!
shit was
Let's go!
going all
Let's
over
go!
the place, bro.
Come on, you gotta check, you gotta swallow that shit, bro. Ready? One.
Grab the balls, grab the balls.
Is he supposed to be completely upside down?
Yeah.
It's going up the nose. This shit is a felon. I can't breathe, dude. I can't breathe. It's in my brain. It's in my fucking brain. God.
Drop him off. Did he drop him?
Are your teeth cold?
No, but my brain is smelling Coors Light right now.
Alright, Julian. Alright, go! I'm ready.
Dude, I drank at least 6 seconds of beer right there, though.
Well, you're supposed to drink it upside down on purpose.
You keep your head up,
I know.
but while your body is upside down.
Oh my god, don't let it go up your nose, because that shit sucks, dude. No joke.
You started a new video?
I was straight like drinking, and all of a sudden it just like shoots up my nose like fucking no tomorrow.